let me see.
Whoa, be careful.
You throwing this stick in the water?
If you had a canoe, you'd probably be able to go back and forth.
Uh-huh.
Is it wet? I love that you won't let go of the umbrella.
I know. What?
Is that, did you put a note in there saying help? Did you put a note in there? Wow, that gets up to Eric's driveway though, right?
I don't know. I don't think so. And there's the eclipse, all the way at the end of the road. Go step in the puddles, Angelo. Angelo, step in the puddle.
It's blowing away, yes.
It's like a kite.
They look cute on them. Yeah, I don't know how long the boots are going to fit them for though.
Well, they're size 11.
Good job, Angelo. Clean up Daddy's lawn. Yeah, it's soaked, right?
It's worth it.
Throw it in the street. There you go. Is that your little raft?
My head.
Okay, there you go.
All right, Angelo, time to go inside.
Say bye, water. We'll see you soon. Okay?
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. We'll do it again another time, okay?